Hi, this is Michael Carnes at Exponential Audio, and I'm going to show you how to make the M7 Control plugin work under Windows with Pro Tools. Now you'll need Pro Tools 12.5.1 or newer. This will not work with any older version of Pro Tools, and it likely never will. You'll also need the 1.1.2 release of M7 Control or newer. There are just a few simple steps we need to take, and once they're done you shouldn't have to bother with them again. So launch Pro Tools and then launch M7 Control, and here under the system parameters where it says select MIDI device, just bring up the menu. Do not select anything, it won't work. You'll get an error message if you do. But determine which MIDI port you want to use for your control. In this case, I'm going to select the very first one, the USB 2.0 MIDI port 1. Now, take a look at that and jot down exactly what it says. This may not be the name that you know the device under. It may not be the name that was on the box that your MIDI interface came in. So write down exactly, with proper spelling, proper spaces, and appropriate capitalization, exactly what you see there. So I'm going to write down USB 2.0 dash MIDI port 1. Alright, and then let that go away and shut down Pro Tools. Okay, we're back in Windows now, and I'm going to make a simple text file. Notice it's just a text document, not a rich text document. So that document I'm first of all going to name, and it will be excluded. Let's spell this correctly. Excluded MIDI ports.txt. And inside that file, I'm going to put down the name of the interface that I jotted down. Just like that. No quotes, no other formatting, just that. Now if I want to have more than one port, I can put those on separate lines in this same file. Again, no commas, any sort of punctuation, just one line per port. And then I'll save it. And now I'll go here to where the Pro Tools executable lives. In most cases that's going to be C, Program Files, Avid, Pro Tools, and I'll just put that file in there. That's all I have to do. Now it's not a bad idea to keep a copy of that file. I don't know if an upgrade of Pro Tools would accidentally remove the file or not, so it's best just to keep yourself a copy of it. And that's that. Okay, now that you've put that text file in place, you can launch Pro Tools again and select the device. If you now wiggle the controls, you'll see the lights on your MIDI interface light up and your Bricasti should be controllable. You can save this with your sessions. You can create new sessions and use this port. If you add ports, you'll need to go to the text file and add the names of those ports in the text file just as I've shown you. It's not a bad idea to keep a copy of the text file around just in case a Pro Tools upgrade loses that file. I don't think it will happen, but it's possible. And that's it. That's all you need to do. Thank you.